Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to block contact on Android to stop unwanted callers from bothering you. We will guide you through the built-in filtering settings to ensure your peace of mind. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the Call app on your home screen, which is the primary tool you use for making phone calls and managing your recent communication history. Step 2 is to then tap the setting or gear icon usually found in the top corner of the screen, which allows you to access the deep configuration options for your calling preferences. Step 3 is to then click Harassment Filter, a dedicated security section designed to help you manage and automatically decline calls from suspicious or unwanted sources. Step 4 is to then click Blacklist, which is the specific list where all your blocked numbers are stored and manage to prevent them from reaching your phone ever again. Step 5 is to tap the plus icon and add the number you wish to restrict, which effectively saves that contact to your blocked list and prevents any future calls or messages from them. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.